mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about fractions and decimals, more specifically about converting decimals greater than 1 to fractions. To get us started, we have a place value chart, and in our place value chart we have 5.7. Notice that our number ends in the tenths place value, making this 5 and 7/10. Now this is going to help us write it into a fraction. We have 5, but that's going to be our whole number because we're going to have a mixed number since this is greater than 1. So 5 is going to be our whole number. And then we have 7/10. So we have 7 out of 10 because tenths is going to be our denominator. So 5.7 is 5 and 7/10, which is written as 5 and 7 over 10. So here we have our place value chart again, and we have our new number, which is 13.45. Notice that this ends in our hundredths place value, making this 13 and 45 hundredths. And so that's going to help us write this number as a fraction. So we have 13, which is our whole number, and 45 hundredths, which means we have 45 over 100. So we have 13 and 45 over 100. Now, we can simplify this fraction if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9, and 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. So 13 and 45 hundredths is equal to 13 and 9 over 20. Here we have our next number, which is 2.075. Notice that this ends in the thousandths place value, making this 2 and 75 thousandths. And that will help us write this number as a mixed number. So 2 is our whole number, and then we have and 75 thousandths, meaning we're going to have 75 out of 1,000. All right, so we have 2 and 75 over 1,000. Now, we can simplify this fraction if we divided both the numerator and the denominator by 25. 75 divided by 25 is 3. 1,000 divided by 25 is 40. So 2 and 75 thousandths is equal to 2 and 3 over 40. Right? So here we have our final example. Right? And so we have 9.0012, and that ends in the 10 thousandths place. So we have 9 and 12 ten thousandths. All right? So we're going to use that to help us write this as a mixed number. So 9 is going to be a whole number, and 12 ten thousandths means 12 over 10,000. But we could go ahead and divide this if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 10,000 divided by 4 is 2,500. So 9 and 12 ten thousandths is equal to 9 and 3 over 2,500. And that's it for converting decimals to fractions.